Hello everyone. We are in Unit 2, Session 4 this week. It's kind of going to be a weird week because it's only a 3-day week. So what that means is that everything is due on Wednesday. Now, you can choose to work until Sunday without penalty if you like, but if you have the option to have a 4-day week, you might as well take that option. I would, but I'm not you guys and I don't know your schedules. So you may choose to work until Sunday. Totally fine. The one thing that you do need to be mindful of is that if you are going to work beyond Wednesday, know that I won't be available for help. Thursday, October 15th is a student non-contact day. It's a teacher work day. So I'm going to be doing separate work on that day, so I won't be available by email or text or phone call. And then Friday is fall break day, where all Jeffco students and teachers have the day off. So I'm going to take the day off and spend it with my family, so I will not be available that day either. So if you need something, please contact me by Wednesday. Real quick, just want to make sure we're on the same page with a few things. Make sure you access your entire folder, not just the assignments. Here's your folder. We're going to be looking at character motivations this week. So just take a look at these things right here. It's going to be really important for you to just kind of get a sense of what motivations are, what character motivations are, etc., etc. So this document here, examining character motivations, what you'll be doing is you'll be looking at a quote. You'll be saying what the motivation was, like what was inspiring the action or what he said or what he, thought or whatever. And then the evidence from the text. It's going to be the quote or the paraphrase that you choose. So you'll do it for these 3, and then 4 through 7, you'll choose your own actions from the story. Ruthless. Same thing, character, what the motivation was behind that action, and then what the quote or paraphrase from the text. Then you're going to be looking at this SWBST. It stands for somebody wanted but so then. So you'll list the character. Doesn't have to be Judson Webb. It can be Mabel. It can be Alec, whoever you like. So you say here, what did they want? What kept them from getting what they wanted? What's the conflict? So what did the character do to solve the problem? And then was the problem solved? How was it solved at the end of the story? So this one is more looking at was the problem solved by whatever the character tried to do? And then this is looking at how it was actually solved. Step 3 is making conclusions. So you'll use these sentence frames here to make your own conclusions. And then that's that assignment. You're going to take those same sentence frames and you're going to paste them in here and you'll discuss. And then, last but not least, you will take those same sentence phrases here and think about yourself and others. So, just a real quick video on just in general what motivates people. And then here's a document here. So you'll do this for yourself, you'll do this for others, and then you'll turn it in on the next page. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I hope you guys have a great week.